Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is Paul, and in today's video we will talk about gems on the Ton blockchain. Ton blockchain is a blockchain from Telegram that is moving right now. It's like an early place to look for 100x gems, so I'm pretty excited. I have been trading for a few days, and today I want to show you how to do it, how to start, what wallet to use. We will use this Dogeton gem because this is actually a gem that came from my longtime friend, partner, and a Polish YouTuber, Crypto Conrad. So it's rack free, and that's what we are looking for because there are a lot of racks. So I'm gonna show you how to buy it, what wallet to use, etc. So make sure to watch the whole video, and now let's begin. Alright guys, and we are back, and as usual, before we move forward, remember, none of this is a financial advice. I am not here to tell you what to do, okay? You need to do your own research. Remember, most of the things that I show you on this channel are high risk, high reward type of stuff, so always diversify. This is how I do it. Alright guys, so they have just released a website. So this is really exciting because right now with the website, with a good Telegram group that they have, that I'm gonna show you later, this is actually prompt to succeed, okay? I already bought some tokens and I want to show you this before it goes to the moon, okay? So the liquidity is locked. You can look at the chart and I will show you where to buy it, okay? But first of all, before we begin, there is some essential things to do, because we will not be using a MetaMask wallet. They have their, the Ton blockchain has its own wallets. One of the best that I have found and I'm using personally is Stonekeeper. So this is the one I'm suggesting. You can use it for desktop, but has this annoying feature with password you need to put every time you are confirming a transaction. So I'm using a mobile version, and this one works really well for me, okay? You can use whatever you want. You can use it with Chrome. I'm using it with Brave. It works as well. I'm using it with Chrome, actually. So this is what you can do. You can use it for app. You can download it from App Store for your mobile or on Android, and it works really well. You can use it with smart contracts as a browser, etc. Okay, this is the first thing that you need to do. Of course, there are other wallets like this Ton wallet that I've been testing, but I'm not using anymore. And you can obviously use a wallet dedicated for Telegram, built in the Telegram. Okay, so this is the first thing you might want to do. Second thing is you should buy Ton and send it to your wallet. What I did is actually I bought it on Sex Exchange, BX, and no KYC exchange. So pretty easy to use and fast. When I'm sending anything from this Sex, it's really fast on my wallet. So I'm not going to show you the BX exchange. This is it, okay? I'm not going to talk about it because obviously you should be able to work this out. So when you have the wallet, when you deposit Ton coin on the wallet, then you can start using DEX exchange, okay? And as you can see, this is my stack of these tokens, of these Dogeton tokens. They are moving right now because they are releasing the website and everything. So what I did, I bought here, okay? I didn't go at once. I waited because it's usually dumping after after the launch. The launch was nice, and then I bought here up to this moment, and now I'm most likely in profit. I've bought in small portions, okay? You can do that because fees on the Ton blockchain are not really that high, okay? Obviously, when you do anything, don't buy for all the coins that you have. You need some Ton coins to pay for the gas fees because this is paid with Ton Ton token, okay? So when you want to buy, let's say you want to buy for, usually when there's low liquidity, sometimes the price impact can be very high. So what I do is usually I look for like small amounts. The liquidity now is better here, so you can buy like, let's say 10 for 10, and the price impact only 1%. That's not bad, right? So what I would do in this case, I would buy in 2 separate transactions for 5, then maybe wait. Sometimes, it's correcting a little bit, and look for the other buy, maybe, so you can buy more coins, well, it can go to the moon, so who knows, that's what I'm usually doing, and that's how I bought it here, and here. So when you swap, the confirmation window will show. You will see the confirmation window from the Tonekeeper wallet, and you just have to confirm, and that's it. Okay, so that's how you buy. There is also DDoS swap that I'm not using, and not many coins are there, but obviously if there is some gem that will be listed here, then you can use this DEX as well. This is the Twitter. Twitter is very important for this kind of projects. So they first came with Twitter, and you can see the updates that they are already submitted to CoinGecko. I know Conrad, and he is really, he treats this as something real. He's not gonna rag or anything. So that's why, I went in and bought it. I'm not gonna keep it for a while. Maybe, do a few cycles or whatever. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. So first thing you want to do maybe is to go to the website, read about it. Okay. There's also this charts from Gecko terminal that we are using. This is the chart from the Dogeton. If we switch it to 15 minutes, you'll see, that we had a huge launch. Then, there was a correction, and I was buying here, just accumulating, because I knew that the website is coming, there is gonna be that there are gonna be news, and this is most likely, in most cases, bullish. So right now I might be already in profit because I bought before. It's still early, liquidity is only 4K. This thing's can go anywhere to 20, 30, 50K, or even more. Dogeton is a good name, these kind of meme coins with dogs. This can be really popular. People are buying it, and I don't care if it's silly or whatever. I know that I can earn here, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so you can use the charts. Okay, and when you find something on the chart, the easy way to add it to the stonfi to be able to trade it is to copy the address. Okay, and if you want to find a new token, you just go here, you put the address here, and this is how you find gems, or you want to add it, because otherwise with the name you won't be able to find it. You need to paste the contract address. Okay, and by then you can buy now. Okay, so guys, I think that should be enough for you to be able to buy. Still early, guys, so it might be a good addition to your portfolio. It's rag free, so what more do you want? Okay, that's what I'm doing. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you like this video. Leave it a like, leave a comment, and see you soon on my next video.